Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create CarMax account. So in order to create a CarMax account, first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in carmax.com, press enter, or instead of that you can also open the CarMax application if you want. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of CarMax. You'll be able to find various options in this interface. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the account icon. If you hover over it you'll be able to find the option for make a payment, sign in, create account. Since you want to create the account, simply click on this option, create account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create your CarMax account. All you have to do is enter your email address, first name, last name, phone number and create a password for yourself. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Likewise, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now you'll also have to provide your phone number. Simply click on the field of phone number and enter the phone number over here. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must include a minimum of 8 characters and at least one number and one letter. You cannot use any spaces, so simply create a password accordingly. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your CarMax account will be created. So that is how you create CarMax account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.